Uh-oh, again? Oh no! He fell over.
Yay! Yeah, help.
Oh, you need help? Christopher, what does the cow say?
No.
What does the cat say?
No.
What does the dog say?
What?
What does Daddy say?
No.
No, no, no.
Hey.
Yay, good job.
Kids it.
Kitchen?